I'd like to continue the discussion I started earlier about managed service providers. In the earlier video, I talked about what one is, why it's nice to have one, but we have a great example of just that. At Connexus, we recently were involved in a bidding process for a company, and in the midst of gathering our data and figuring out just what was going on at this business, we found out some pretty alarming things. One, they were being charged several $1,000s, or still are being charged several $1,000s a month for internet connectivity that they don't need. But the reason, well, I shouldn't say they don't need. Currently they need it because of the way the network was structured. We always hear about if you don't have a strong foundation, everything else crumbles. Well, this is a great example of it. Their underlying network or infrastructure was haphazardly built. It's not segmented at all. They have 3 separate locations, nothing segmented. There is no routing involved whatsoever. So because of that, you have a lot of traffic on this network. Therefore, you need a lot of bandwidth for all the different locations to be able to communicate with one another. And to top it all off, everything, or I should say all internet connectivity, is run through the main office. So not only do you have the main office using their bandwidth, but you have 2 separate locations also coming through that main network and getting out to the internet. So had Connexus or some other managed service provider been involved at the beginning, where they were planning on how to improve their network and how to interconnect the sites, the proper way to do it would be to segment it, and then to use VPN tunnels between the sites like we do with all of our customers. I've said this before, VPN technology is inexpensive, it's easy to configure, and it's very secure. In fact, it's PCI compliant. It's the way to go because it works and it's inexpensive to set up. Now, had this company gone this direction, had the segmented network, had VPNs between the sites, then when you're looking at maybe changing internet providers or looking at different technologies to save money, they would have had a much easier process and would have had options because of their network and because of the way it's configured. They wouldn't have to spend the thousands of dollars that they are spending now. They would have been able to spend hundreds of dollars a month per location to have connectivity between the sites and internet connectivity. So my point is, having a good technology partner in today's business will save you money. A lot of us think of it as the computers or the servers, it's just another cost center, but being able to plan with a competent technology provider will save you money in the long run, will make you a more efficient business, which in turn will save you money. So we ask that if you're watching these videos, if you have questions for us, please don't hesitate to call, email us. If you'd like to see us do more blogs, video blogs on different topics, please let us know. We'd love to do it. If you want us to come and take a look at your network, do an audit, and let you know what we think you should be doing, we would be more than happy. So please visit the website, connexususa.com. Visit our YouTube site, which is linked from there. And we look forward to hearing from you and working with you. Thanks.